Today, the crypto market is still early. We're only beginning to see what the next decade of digital finance will look like. And the gap between what exists today and what should exist is massive. Take XRP, one of the largest digital assets in the world, $128 billion sitting idle, earning nothing. In a mature financial system, assets don't sit still. Your savings earn yield. Your money works for you. But in crypto, billions are trapped. Not because it's not worth it, but because the current systems are too complex for mainstream users. If we want the next wave of millions of people to come in, we need to make earning and lending as simple as tapping a button. That's what we do at BlockVault. We allow users to earn up to 14% APY on their XRP through a volatility-based yielding method. We allow them to access liquidity, borrowing against their XRP, using it as collateral, but still keeping their upside. And we do all this in a super simple, seamless, and intuitive platform. The yielding method is comprised of two core components. The first is the automated market maker liquidity pools, and the second is XRP option contracts. The result, we're able to capture even more value when the price of XRP goes up, and also when the price of XRP goes down. In the last 4 months, we've built a fully functioning MVP currently on the mainnet, with iOS and Android apps currently in test. We have over $2 million in committed yield capital and 110 people on our wait list. Currently, we're raising a pre-seed with the main goal to get $20 million of assets under management within the next 12 months. The vision is simple. A world where no crypto sits idle, where every holder can earn, borrow, and grow in one seamless, frictionless platform. That's the vision we're building. My name is Andrew Kaskaniotis from BlockVault. Thank you.